Right now, on a real public repository, there is a real open pull request waiting. Not a demo, not a mock-up. Episode 5 ended with a real Git push, printing a real link to create one. That link got used. Today, that pull request gets reviewed and merged, on camera, for real. Here's why this matters more than the last 5 episodes combined. Everything so far happened on your machine, invisible to anyone else. A pull request is the first thing you've done in this series that another person or a whole team can actually see, read, and react to. This is the exact moment a private habit turns into a collaborative one. Start with what a pull request actually is, because the name is misleading. You're not pulling anything. You are requesting that someone else pull your branch into theirs. GitHub's PR page shows exactly 3 things that matter. Which branch is asking to merge into which, a diff of every line that would change, and a button that does the merge. Nothing more. Open the real PR right now, and that's precisely what's on screen. 1 file, changelog.md, 3 lines added, nothing removed. Reading a diff is a specific skill, not a formality you skip. Green lines are additions. Red lines, if there were any here, would be removals. The line count in the corner, +3, tells you the entire size of the change before you read a single word of it. On a change this small, review is fast. On a real production pull request, this same screen is where you'd catch a bug before it reaches main, not after. If you want the rest of this series as it drops, subscribing is what puts episode 7 in front of you instead of leaving you to stumble onto it later. Merging happens 2 ways, and this channel uses the terminal one, so the exact command is visible. GHPR merge. Watch what prints back. Not a vague success message, a specific one. The pull request is merged, and the branch it came from gets deleted automatically, because once it's merged into main, that branch has done its job, and keeping it around just adds clutter. Check the repository immediately after, and the proof is structural, not just a message you have to trust. Git log on main now includes that exact commit, and the branch that used to show up in Git branch is simply gone. Merge didn't just close a page in a browser. It rewrote the actual history of this repository, permanently, the same way every merge in episode 5 did, just with a second person's permission built into the process this time instead of none. So here's what to actually carry forward. A pull request is a request, a diff, and a button. Nothing more mystical than that. Reading the diff is the actual review. And merging isn't a UI action. It's a command with a real, checkable result. A new commit on main, and 1 less branch cluttering the repository. Episode 7 starts putting all of this together with your editor and an AI agent in the loop at the same time. Try 11 Labs, the AI voice in this video. Try.11labs.io/rdsbowiejp. TO. This video contains affiliate links.